Madoda, umile umbuzo kaKhadoso. Orlando Pirates is number 1 in the league together with who? Together with Khadoso ija igame bafana. Le ija igame le. Mina ngiyaqala ukubona ucoach ku press conference okhipha istats sama-yellow card. Wasindlala nje istats sama-yellow card. Kuthi abanye bana 53, abanye bana 26. Hukom. Uthi Khadoso ija igame. But kune point alishilo elukuthi even when Sundowns is doing well, somehow there are people who will try to find some negatives to say about Sundowns, even though that's true. But unfortunately, it's the standard Sundowns is set in SA football. You know, they've been so good. Any slight dip in their performance will be scrutinized. I mean, they've been so dominant for quite a number of years. They're African champions. So any slight dip, nanoma kuthiwa i-player lenze mistake, nanoma kuthiwa ucoach wenze mistake, nanoma kuthiwa i-performance was questionable, they will be scrutinized because that's the standard they've set. They're close to perfection. If there's any sign or any resemblance of imperfection, people will pounce. So Khadoso akehlisa umoya man. Ayekele late zakhe zama-yellow card.
Mamelodi Sundowns last season in the CAF Champions League, they played 12 games, right? From the group stage. I'm only counting from the group stage and not the qualifiers. From the group stage, first game, Lupopo against the last game, right, which is the final, which they won. They played 12 games. Do you know how many yellow cards they got in those 12 games? They got 25 yellow cards and 3 red cards. A red card for Kekana, a red card for Modiba, and a red card for Onyango. Obviously, Onyango was an argument outside. He didn't even play. But they got 3 red cards, 25 yellow cards in 12 games. Is he going to complain about that everyone is attacking them? No one is attacking your players. They just lack discipline. If you want me to go even further, I can even go to the national team. In the World Cup, right? In the World Cup, the Mexico game, Themba Zwane got a yellow card. Themba Zwane got a red card. Mokoena got a yellow card. In a Czech game, Mokoena got a yellow card. He was suspended for the next game. South Korea, Modiba got a yellow card. In the last game, the Canada game, no one got a card, right? In the AFCON, let's even go further. The AFCON, the Angola game, Modiba got a yellow card. In the Egypt game, Mokoena and Mudau got a yellow card. In the Zimbabwe game, no one got from the Sundowns camp, from the Sundowns team, no one got a yellow card. From the Cameroon game, Mokoena and Modiba, they got a yellow card again. This has nothing to do with anyone attacking or targeting Sundowns. As you can see, there is a serious pattern here. Your players lack discipline. Each and every game, they are getting a yellow card. They are not disciplined. Every game. The only games that didn't get a yellow card is the Zimbabwe in Canada. And this is only for the CAF Champions League, AFCON, and the World Cup. Imagine if I also check the league. Imagine if I also check the other domestic competition in South Africa. So your players lack discipline. And if they lack discipline, they'll always get booked.
Yabona abafana bakithi uKhadoso ingwenya. Yabona uma uzombuza umbuzo obheke eceleni, uzokuphendula ngempendulo ehamba nombuzo. Hayi bafana bakithi izolo ubuziwe ukuthi why iSundowns ingaqalanga kahle kulesi season. Waphendula uKhadoso wathi iMamelodi Sundowns iwunamba basikhuluma. Yini ungakhulumi ngalokho? Bafowethu iMamelodi Sundowns iwunumber 2. Yabo ishiyana nje ngegoli neOrlando Pirates elilodwa. Iy'ntatheli azifuni lokhu ukubuza. Kodwa zizobuza ukuthi why Sundowns iqale kabi. Yabona abafowethu uphinde bafowethu uKhadoso wakhala washo ukuthi kunento eyenzakalayo la. Abadlali beMamelodi Sundowns bayawathola amakhadi. And ngapha abadlali beOrlando Pirates abawatholi. Wenziwa yini lokho? Bafowethu asilikhulumeni iqiniso. Yabona iOrlando Pirates ayenzelelwa abafowethu, iyenzelelwa. And ucoach ofana noKhadoso ngeke athule mayebona vele ukuthi kuyonakala la, yabo. Abadlali beOrlando Pirates last season akaze beyithola i-red card. Abe Sundowns babhubha ama-red card. yabo khona nje le yatholwa u-Adams bafowethu wathola i-red card ukuthi ukhiphele ibhola ngaphandle. Hayi bafana bakithi kusazoba nzima, but kumnandi bafethu kuba no-coach oyikhulumelayo njengoKhadoso, ngoba bona uKhadoso uyafana noPete, uyafana noHugo Bruce. Awumpintsheli nje, awumvaleli ekhoneni ngoba uzophendula and impendulo yakhe izohamba nombuzo. Hayi kunzima bafana bakithi.
You know, I don't understand why is PSL not disciplining this guy. This guy, he needs to be disciplined. This guy, week in, week out, he comes with complaints. There is no day where he's going to do post-match or even pre-match interviews and he doesn't complain. For sure, even his supporters are tired of his complaints. Last season, he was complaining about playing in the empty stadiums. Whose fault is that? This season, he loses a game here, MTN 8. He blames it on the fact that Golden Arrows rested before the game. Bona they had to play midweek, but they are the ones who requested, and it was probably his suggestion. They are the ones who requested when the league started that they want to finish off their pre-seasons, and they didn't want to participate. PSL granted them that. They go and finish their pre-season. Other teams start. When they come back, they say, okay, play the catch-up so that you can get the same league number of games with the other teams. He's complaining. And sometimes he even lies. When he said that Golden Arrows rested before they played them in the empty net, he's right. Golden Arrows rested because it is them who said they want to finish the play system. They don't want to start with other teams. When the PSL grant them, and then he comes and say, no, this one, he was right there. On the same interview, he goes on to say, Bonade will be playing, Amazulu midweek, Golden Arrows will be resting. He lies. On national TV, he lies. Which Golden Arrows rested because Golden Arrows also played with Stellenbosch yesterday and they won. And Golden Arrows will win against them even on Saturday. They won't come with excuse. Now he's complaining about the yellow card, saying that Pirates got less yellow card, he got more yellow card last season. But whose problem is that? This guy is clearly casting aspersion on PSL. The organization of the PSL now is casting aspersion on the match officials. He's now insinuating that Mamelodi Sundowns is targeted by match officials so that it can favor Pirates. What nonsense is that? Hey, the guy must just focus. Can the guy analyze his team? Sundowns is having more yellow card for simple reason. Sundowns play high press attacking football. And then when a team plays high press attacking football, you can't keep a high press and with the low block. When you press high, then you need to have a high block. And then when you've got the high block, it means that you leave spaces behind you. When you leave spaces behind you, the opponents try to utilize the spaces with the counter attack. And then with the pace. Each and every time when Sundowns lose the ball and they are caught on the counter attack, they interrupt the counter attack by committing fouls. But because those counter-attack are goal-scoring opportunities, not obvious goal-scoring, but they are goal-scoring opportunities, then the referee gives them yellow card. That's why they've got yellow cards, and each and every game, they either have more yellow cards than the opponent or even equal yellow cards. He comes and complains about that. And PSL allows him. PSL is not doing anything. PSL must discipline this guy. They must call this guy to order or discipline Mamelodi Sundowns. How?
Sanmoyan Bafetu. Masantawana, maybe you can explain this thing better for me. Nimdlisane uKhadoso during the game. Like, because there's a switch of mood in Khadoso every time during the game. Okay, sure. To us who do watch our post-match interviews and the pre-match interviews, Bambi's at Supersport. Khadoso tell us about the game, the preparations, what. We are shooting. You see today, how the on value in Tembe na fanda kuzongshayela inqaku. We are sure that the reason I played this and this and this once because sharp. Kumnandi, happy, relaxed during the game. Switch mood. Bam interview at a post match. Ha. Abona Khadoso la. Khadoso nalishashalaza. Ati, last season we had 53 yellow cards. Pirates had 28 yellow cards. Yes, sharp. Sapumana 8 red card. Pirates in a 0 red card. Like Khadoso. yazi uthe usol makathi kind of so always has excuse like uyawaqabanga lama excuse okuzikhipha but nah, but you cannot hate Cardoso. Okay, obvious when you're a Pirates supporter, because it seems like very Pirates are its hand. Yeah, but and it seems like Cardoso knows too much. There's no way you will hit the team. Like Cardoso, chance I topal. I-Pirates uzoyidla i-Pirates ngoCardoso shem. If you wanna know ukuthi i-Pirates kwenzakalani, wait until uCardoso aye ku-post match interview uzokutshela ukuthi in normal conditions we'll be champions. Simple.
Yeah, ne. Yeah, i-Pirates ayimlalisi ucoach we-Sundowns. Ucoach Cardoso, i-Pirates ayimlalisi. Nas ayimlalisi because why all the time kumele ufake i-Pirates? Nala ingangeni khona uyayifaka. Like uqeda ukuwina against AmaZulu, i-Pirates ingenaphi? Uthola ama-yellow card against AmaZulu, i-Pirates ingenaphi lapho? Hayi, thina sithola ama-yellow card ayi-50 bani, i-Pirates yona ithole 20. Thina sithola ama-red card ayi-4, bona abathola. Hey, mihlola kuyena. Guys, what happened to accountability? What happened to taking responsibility? What happened to looking at yourself in the mirror and being honest and saying, maybe I am the problem. Maybe it is me the problem, not anyone else. Let me stop diverting. Let me stop deflecting. Let me face the problem head on, which is right here. Me, myself, and I. If I am committing fouls, if my players are ill-disciplined, if my players are getting booked over and over and over again, it's the referee or it's me. Of course, a referee can get it wrong once, twice, 3 times, maybe 5 times, but not 50 times. How guys? Okay, I was like, okay, maybe there's something. Because vele Pirates mayenza kahle hlezi kublame. Dr. Ivan Khoza. No one wants to really give credit. I was like, let us jump to the Champions League and actually see. Hey, Gandhi kunje. Now tell me where's the problem here. Now a problem. Look at the yellow cards they got in the Champions League. Look at the red cards they got in the Champions League. Now tell me how many games they played in the Champions League. And tell me how many games they played in the league. Which games were more? That's why the yellow cards are more there. Because they kept on doing it. And they keep on doing it. Even this season they're doing it. But go blame wa ini. Go blame abo referee. Go blame Pirates. Pirates this, Pirates. Now go bafana. Somewhere, somehow, it got suspended. Somewhere, somehow, there was a red card. Guys, sometimes, stop looking left, right, and center. Just look at yourself. Look in the mirror. Look at yourself. Talk with your players. Instill discipline in your team. Abo Leon have been getting yellow cards. Last season, he got 7 in the little games that he played. Leon. Mudau got the most yellow cards last season in the league. Mokoena. Modiba. Those players have been... Go and check those players individually. They always get these cards. But it is a conspiracy. Hey.
Then bazoza ke bazositshela ukuthi hey, focus on your team, don't focus on our team, focus on your team. Hey, don't talk about our team. And then, like, have you, like, bitch, I've never had Uwadu once in a pre-match interview or after an interview ever talk about Sundowns. I won. But bona nje babhizi. Bayasinaga. They want our attention. Angazi bafuna attention yethu or but this is narcissistic at this point. Ngoba you'll talk about us. Omunye nangu futhi. You'll talk about us. But then when we say, okay, sharp, when the fan base, not even our team or coach or players talk about you guys, when the fan base Tina talk about you guys, hey, don't talk about our team in our comment sections. Don't talk about our team. Don't talk. It's this narcissistic. It's narcissistic at this point. Like it's ngena happy team. Ukuthi nithola ama-red card, ama-yellow card. Is it our fault that you'll play aggressive soccer? Why end ukapa abantu nje for no reason? from the back foot. You gotta for uvume ukuthi Pirates plays clinical soccer.